In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xero invoice template. Let's face it, the look and feel of your invoices can say a lot about your business. Making sure that your invoices reflect your brand is key to maintaining a professional appearance. Fortunately, Xero, the online accounting software, makes customizing your invoice template both straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, navigate to the Xero homepage. To do this, you can simply type in Xero in your preferred search engine, or if you have it bookmarked. Even better, go directly from there. Once you've landed on Xero's homepage, you'll find yourself face to face with the first step towards customization, logging in. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the login button. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This should be the email and password you used when you signed up for Xero. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, Xero provides an easy way to reset it. Once your details are correctly entered, click on Login. Assuming your credentials are correct, you'll find yourself in the dashboard of your Xero account. This is where all the magic happens. Your dashboard is the central hub for your business's financial activities in Xero. Now, to get to the heart of today's tutorial, go to your organization on Xero. If you're managing multiple organizations in Xero, make sure you select the correct one. You can usually find the organization's name at the top of your dashboard or through a drop-down menu. Having selected the right organization, your next stop is the Settings menu. This can be found in the top menu of your account. Click on Settings, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for Invoice Settings. This is where you define how your invoices will look. Click on Invoice Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page listing your current invoice templates. Find the template you want to modify, and look for the Options button associated with it. Clicking Options will open a menu with several choices. We're interested in the Edit option. By selecting Edit, you're now in the driver's seat to make your invoice truly yours. Xero provides a variety of fields and settings that you can tweak, from changing font sizes to adjusting line spacings or adding a personal logo. The edits you can make are numerous. Take your time here to explore and adjust the settings until they align with your brand's visual identity. It's important to note that any changes you make here won't affect past invoices, only those moving forward. Therefore, feel free to take creative liberties without worrying about retroactively altering your financial history. After you've made the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with how your new invoice template looks, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the page. Clicking this will apply all the changes you've made and set your new template as the default for future invoices. One last piece of advice. After saving, it's a good idea to send a test invoice to yourself. This way you can see exactly what your clients will receive and make any final adjustments if necessary. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your Xero invoice template. Remember, your invoices are often part of the first impression you make on a client, so taking the time to ensure they look good can really pay off. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on making the most of Xero for your business.